Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add apps to CarPlay. Now, if you wanted to add new apps to your Apple CarPlay on your iPhone that shows up in your car, or maybe you wanted to rearrange or customize them, I'll show you exactly how to do that. The first thing we're going to do is tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. Scroll down, tap on General midway down. Scroll down again, tap on CarPlay midway down. Make sure that you're connected to your car, or you previously connected to your car. There should be a car that says My Car under here. So tap on Your Car. And now you can see Apps and Widgets. Tap on Apps at the top, and you'll be able to see all of the included apps. For an app to show up on this list, of course, it needs to be downloaded and installed to your iPhone, but also, unfortunately, not every app is available in Apple CarPlay. Unfortunately, if you scroll through this list, for instance, YouTube is not available in Apple CarPlay, but YouTube Music is. To rearrange any of these, you can take your finger and on the three lines on the right, tap and hold and move it up and down. To add an app, go to More Apps at the bottom and tap on the plus next to the app. And then again, take your finger and move it up and down. To remove an app, just tap on the minus symbol to the left of it, and then tap on delete, and it will remove it from your Apple CarPlay. Again, unfortunately, not every app that it's installed on your iPhone is available in Apple CarPlay. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.